Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents the fat-burning sweet potato muffins you can eat for breakfast, 100% gluten-free. Muffin recipes are something we all desire to have, no matter if they are sweet or salty. They are all very delicious, and if they are made with some good ingredients, they can also bring lots of health benefits. The sweet potato is one of the ingredients which is very rich in beneficial compounds, and it can be used in various recipes. Here I am going to present you a recipe for muffins that will be best if they are served with sweet maple syrup. Sweet potatoes are abundant in various health benefits. Their aroma is earthy and sweet. Why you should eat more sweet potato? The muffins I am about to present you here have an amazing taste, as I already mentioned, but they are also abundant in antioxidants, so they'll help us reduce any type of inflammation. Sweet potatoes contain another anti-inflammatory nutrient called anthocyanin. It is the one that provides the color. Sweet potatoes can help us against chronic but also acute inflammations. Sweet potatoes also contain plenty of beta-carotene, which is excellent in the fight of the free radicals. Take a look at my delicious recipe for sweet potato muffins. I am sure that you and your family are going to love them. Sweet potato muffins. Ingredients: 3/4 of a cup of canned coconut milk. Try to find organic. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 3 organic free-range eggs that you will beat lightly. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Try to find organic. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Half a cup of maple syrup. Make sure it's organic. Half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. 1 sweet potato roasted. 1 cup packed. Make sure it's organic. 1 teaspoon of ginger ground. 1/4 of a cup of organic coconut flour. 1 cup of organic brown rice flour. 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg ground. Directions: first, you have to preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Put a little bit of oil into a 12-hole muffin tray. When the oven is heated, then poke the sweet potato to make holes. Then put it on the middle rack of the oven. Cook it for 60 minutes or until you are sure that it is very soft. When it is done, take it out and leave it to cool down. When you are certain that it's cooled, remove its skin. Put the flesh in a bowl. The skin can be eaten as a snack or thrown away. It also contains an abundance of vitamins. Into the bowl with the sweet potato, you should add the coconut milk, maple syrup, and olive oil. Stir everything well until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Then put all the dry ingredients in another bowl and mix well. After this, combine them with the sweet potato mixture and mix everything well. Fill every space of the muffin pan and make sure about 3/4 of it is full. Put the pan on the middle rack in the oven. Cook the muffins for 30 to 35 minutes. You can try whether they are baked with a knife in the middle of the muffin. It should come out clean. So our muffins are ready. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.